G'day guys, John here, Chief Instructor with FPV Australia, and welcome back to the Madhouse. Today is the 21st of March 2020, and today I'm making a big announcement. We actually weren't planning on making this announcement for a few months, but under the current circumstances with COVID-19, i.e. the coronavirus, we thought now's as good a time as any. What is this announcement? Our virtual classroom. FPV Australia's virtual classroom. What is the virtual classroom? Quite simply, it is exactly that, a classroom that is run virtually over the internet online. It is in real time, not recorded lectures. This is real-time classroom with either myself or one of my instructors. It'll allow individuals all around the country to join us in our quality training programs from either the comfort of your own home, if you are obviously self-isolating, or the comfort of your office if you're a corporate client. The reason we were doing this is not specifically for COVID-19. We had always had plans to create a virtual classroom environment leading into late 2020. However, we've pulled it forward because of the current situation. How does it work? Quite simply, you will join us in real-time one-on-one, well, not one-on-one, but small group face-to-face training. So just as if you were sitting in a classroom with 5 other students, you'll be sitting in a virtual classroom with 5 other students and myself, or my instructors. It will allow us to answer questions, you can interact. It's just as if you were sitting in the classroom with us, except you won't be. It allows us to get out and train. It allows you to get trained, and under the current climate with travel restrictions and isolation restrictions and social distancing and all the rest, this fits perfectly, I guess. The infrastructure we have in place is good. It allows us to have this classroom where you'll be able to see everything you can see as if you were sitting in the classroom. We'll have whiteboards and slides and presentations, and all the usual stuff that happens in a classroom is going to happen in our virtual classroom. We will send you all of the learning material that you need, maps and charts and whatever other bits and pieces, and the manual and all that sort of stuff. We'll spend this time in a virtual classroom to get all the theory out of the way. And then the way it works is we will schedule a time and date in your city or your location where we will come to you once all of this corona settles down. We will come to you and then we'll knock off the last bit of the theory, which will be the assessments and stuff, as well as practical. We'll take you out the field and we'll fly the drones and do all the normal stuff we do on a training course. So you're still going to get the full gambit of FPV's Australia's quality training program. We're all about face-to-face training. We don't like online text and pre-recorded stuff. That's great for supplemental learning, but when it comes to the hardcore, we want to get the training done and get it done properly. Face-to-face is the only way. The travel restrictions and the lockdowns that we're going to see moving forward means that's going to make life difficult for you to get trained, and it's going to make life difficult for us to train you. So what better way than to bring forward our virtual classroom environment to now? There's a link in the bottom of this page, and there's also going to be a link up on our web page. If you're a corporate client, this suits you as well. We can still run very specific corporate training packages just for you in our virtual classroom. So it'll be just your students. If you're just a small business owner who wants to be trained, or an individual who wants to be trained, come and join us in one of our virtual classroom environments. You will still be able, I must make this very clear, you will still be able to interact with us and the other students in the classroom as if you were sitting at the desk. You just will be sitting in the comfort of your own home. There's a link. Go and fill out all the details. We're taking registrations now, and we need to know where you all are so we can start to schedule up when we come to visit you to knock off the last bit and the practical. So please jump online if you are interested. Fill in the form so we know where you are and what you're at and what you want, and we can get this rolling. As I said, we're all about quality training, and nothing changes, only that we're not physically in the same location. I hope that gives you some information on what this is all about. FPV Australia's virtual classroom. We're launching it right now. If you've got any questions and you're not sure how this is going to work, or you're wondering what it's all about, or is it different from the face-to-face training, please feel free to email us. The email address is simply down the bottom of the screen here, training at fpvaustralia.com.au. You can email me directly if you wish, John at fpvaustralia.com.au will find us. You can call us if you like, the 1300 number that's there that I can never remember, or 0261128551 will also find us. You'll also get information about this on our webpage. It's there now, so click the link in this video or simply go to fpvaustralia.com.au. So just to bullet points, it's a virtual classroom environment in real time, no pre-recorded stuff. You'll get exactly the same training as if you were sitting in the classroom with us, only you're physically not. We will then visit your locations to knock off the last bits and do the assessments and the practical flying. So the physical time you'll need to spend with us is probably going to be a two-day period. That allows even busy people who can't get a whole 5-block day in a classroom. This might suit you as well. But it allows us to train you and you get trained in these difficult times where we all can't travel and be in the same room together. Again, if you need any questions answered, please pop us a line, an email, give us a call, whatever you need. Hopefully we can get you through this difficult time, I guess, and we'll pop out the other side better and bigger for it. Anyway, I hope you're having a good day where you are. We'll see you on the other side. Cheers.